children. Thank you so much. So children, kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? I told kinetic energy is energy produced by body due to its motion. Due to its motion. When a body is moving, it will have kinetic energy. When body is at certain height, it will have potential energy. Whenever any body is moving, let it be on the road, in the air, anywhere, the body will have kinetic energy. So kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Half mv square. Okay. So first, I'll start with derivation, then I'll say something else. Kinetic energy derivation. Okay. Kinetic energy derivation I'm showing on the scene. Can anyone tell me what is the work formula? Anyone in the class? Work formula?
Power into time.
Force into
Power into time.
Force into displacement. Work is defined as product of force and displacement. Work is defined as product of force and displacement. All the work done when a body is moving is converted into kinetic energy. All the work done when a body is moving is converted into kinetic energy. And from Newton's second law, F is equal to anyone? From Newton's second law, F is equal to
MA.
MAS. So kinetic energy is equal to MAS. Okay, children, we know what we know from what we know third law is motion. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So
2as.
AS is equal to V square minus U square by 2. Okay, children. So substitute here, children. AS we substitute here. Instead of AS, we put here, children. So kinetic energy is equal to M. This is how much? V square minus U square by 2. If body is this is one formula. If body is starting from rest, if body is starting from rest, if body is starting from rest, what is it? If body is starting from rest, anyone?
U is equal to 0.
U is equal to 0. So kinetic energy is equal to half m v square because U becomes 0. U becomes 0, children. U becomes 0. 1 by 2 v square. So if body is starting from rest, U is equal to 0, half mv square. This is the derivation for kinetic energy. Practice 3-4 times. You will get, children. It's very important. Even in exams, they're asking the first question of the numerator. First numerator. Okay. Compare the kinetic energy of body. Calculate the kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kg and moving with a speed of 0.1 meters per second. Anyone wants to say? Anyone?
Sir, I'll say, sir. Kinetic
saying.
energy is equal to half mv square.
Okay.
Half into 2 into 0.1 whole square. 2 cancel. 0.01, sir. 0.1 whole square. 0.01.
1 joule. That body consists of that body which is moving with this speed will have this much energy. The body which is moving with this speed having this mass will have this energy. Second question. If anyone
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Okay. Find express the kinetic energy. You have to find kinetic energy in kilojoules. In kilojoules means first you find normally, then divide it 1000. Okay. Of mass is 80 kg. Mass is 80 kg and moving with the speed of 72 km/h. Moving with the speed of 72 km/h. Okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
about km
Kinet
per second?
into 5 by 18.
Into 5 by 18. Tell, keep saying.
18 4, sir. So 5 2 are 20. 5 4 are 20.
Kinetic energy formula?
Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. That is equal to half into 80 into 20.
20 square, no, right?
Yes, sir.
How much?
So that is equal to 16,000 joules divided by 1000
Okay.
to convert into kilojoules.
So
that is equal to 16 kilojoules.
16 kilojoules. Very good. Next, third assumption. A 500-gram body is there. 500-gram body is there, children. 500-gram body. Okay. Falls from a height of 2 meters. Okay. So, what is its kinetic energy just before reaching the ground? Children, kinetic energy before reaching the ground will be equal to potential energy. What is the potential energy formula?
mgh.
How much? M is how much?
500
by 1000.
by 1000
Grams to kgs by 1000, children. G is 10.
into 10 into 2.
So 10 joules of potential energy. See, children, when body is at 2 meters height, and the body is at 2 meters height, it has 10 joules. When it is coming and falling here, again it will have 10 joules only. All the potential energy converts into kinetic energy. All the potential energy converts into kinetic energy. He is asking kinetic energy just before it is hitting the ground. So initially it had 10 joules of potential energy. When it is hitting the ground also, it will have 10 joules only. All the potential energy converted into kinetic energy. All the potential energy converted into kinetic energy. Next question. A body of mass 2 kg. Okay, a body of mass 2 kg. A body of mass 2 kg is dropped from a height of 4 meters. Is dropped from a height of 4 meters. What is the kinetic energy when it is hitting the ground? Same question. What is the kinetic energy when it is hitting the ground? Anyone?
Kinetic energy is equal to potential energy mgh 2 into gravity is 10 into 4, that is equal to 80 joules.
Initially at the top, when it is at 4 meters, it has 80 joules. When it is hitting the ground also, 80 joules only. All the potential energy which was there here converts into kinetic energy when hitting. When hitting, it will have 80 joules because it started with 80 joules, it ends with 80 joules only. Okay, anyway, it will be 80 joules only. Next. A body of mass 2 kg is dropped from top of tower of 50 meters. A body of mass 2 kg is dropped from a height of 50 meters. Okay, so from 50 meters. If the acceleration due to gravitation, what is the kinetic energy after 2 seconds? Kinetic energy after 2 seconds of its release. Children, when it is falling after 2 seconds, how much is the kinetic energy? Can anyone say how to do this thing? If you don't know, I will tell. Can anyone say how to do this thing? After 5 seconds, how much is the kinetic energy?
Sir, I'll try, sir.
You tell how to do. I will tell. You tell how to do.
Sir, first we have to go for potential energy.
No, not like that. I will tell you. See, it is falling from a height of 50 meters, children. It is falling from a height of 50 meters. After 2 seconds, what is its velocity? We should find out. After 2 seconds, what is its velocity? We should find out. And then half mv square is the formula. How to find after 2 seconds what is the speed? How to find out? We have formula v is equal to u plus at. If body is falling freely, u is equal to
U is equal to V.
u is equal to 0. If body is falling freely, u is equal to 0. So v is equal to gt. So v is equal to, this is 10, this is 2. After 2 seconds, its speed is 20 meters per second. After 2 seconds, its speed is 20 meters per second. After 2 seconds, its speed became 20 meters per second. Initially, it is 0. Then, in 1 second, in 2 seconds, it became 20. Now, after 2 seconds, find kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy formula? Half mv square. Half into mass is 2 and v square is 20 into 20. Okay, children, v square is 20 into 20. 2 to 1. 400 joules after 2 seconds. 400 joules after 2 seconds. So its velocity after 2 seconds is 400 joules. Please keep hopping, children. Don't sit idle. For God's sake, and don't sit idle. If you sit idle, nothing will go into your brain, children. Nothing. Everything will go waste. And later you will learn that you didn't understand anything. Simple. Sixth question. A body of mass 5 kg. A body of mass 5 kg. Initially at rest. Okay, initially at rest. Under the acceleration of 4 meters per second square. Under the acceleration of 4 meters per second square. Subjected to certain force. What is the kinetic energy required by the body at the end of 10 seconds? At the end of 10 seconds, what is the kinetic energy? Anyone wants to say this question or shall I do? What is the algorithm? How we will do? For kinetic energy, we want speed. We don't have speed. How to find out speed? Which equation will we use? Anyone? Which equation will we use?
S is equal to ut plus half at square.
S means displacement. We want V. We want V, Amma. First equation.
V square is equal. V is equal to u plus 80.
V is equal to u plus 80. Usually V.
E is equal to 0.
Tell 0 plus?
0 plus 4 into 10.
Okay.
V is equal to 40 meters per second.
Okay. Formula?
Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square.
So
half
and
into 5 into 40.
half into 5 into
Uh,
40 into 40.
40 into 40.
Okay.
40 20s are, which is 4,000 joules.
Or 4 kilojoules by
4
volume.
kilojoules.
Okay, children, you have to think, children. You have to think. If you think only your analyzing capacity will increase, children, and you become perfect in the subject. Seventh question, children. A force is applied on a car of mass 1500 kg. Mass of car is 1500 kg. Okay. So that the speed increases from 54 kmph to 74 to 54 kmph is initial. Then it is becoming to 72 kmph. What is the kinetic energy? What is the kinetic energy? So children, by derivation, I was telling kinetic energy is equal to half m v square minus u square. Do you remember, children? I told this formula. If body is from
Yes,
rest
sir.
only, you take 0, I told. If not, you take this formula. Okay. Can anyone tell how to convert meters per second?
Into 5 by 80.
Into 5. This is how much? 15. This is how much? 20. Tell me substitution. Anyone in the class? Tell me substitution here. Tell me substitution.
Half into
Half into
mass
1500
1500 into 20 square minus 15 square.
So how much? Half into
That is equal to half into 1500. 400 minus 225. Half into 1500 into 175.
okay.
Half into that is equal to 750. 750 into 175.
750 into 175 is 13125 joules. 13125 joules. So children, kinetic energy formula is half m v square minus u square. But if it is starting from this we will ignore and we will take half m v square. You have to remember both formulas, children. In exam,
Sir,
normally they will-
1312. Sir, 131250.
I wrote no, 131250. 1312 only they give now here. Answer is I saw. 8 sum. 8 sum. See here. 8 sum. Two bodies of mass 1 kg and 3 kg. One body is 1 kg, another body is 3 kg. Okay. Are moving with same velocity. What is the ratio of their kinetic energies? Anyone? Speeds are same. What is the ratio? Anyone? What is the ratio of the kinetic energy? K1 by K2. Anyone? Half m1 v1 square.
By half m2 v2 square.
v1 square v2 square cancel because velocities are same.
Same, sir.
Half of cancel.
Half of cancel. So k1 by k2 is equal to m1 by m2. That is equal to 1 by 3. So k1 is to k2, that is equal to 1 is to 3.
The ratio of their velocities is 1, kinetic energies is 1 is to 3. Ratio of their kinetic energies is 1 is to 3. Very good, Neeraj. Very good. Active participation. Very good, man. If you don't know also, you should be very active. Okay. If you know also, you should be very active. If you don't know, I will help if you don't know. Neeraj, very good. Okay. Okay. 90 question. Two bodies of mass 1 kg and 9 kg. One body is 1 kg, another body is 9 kg. Okay. So are moving with same velocity. Same velocity. Again, same question. Children. Same question. Who will tell? Same question.
Sir, can I say?
Anyone can start.
K1 by K2 is equal to half mv square by half
M1.
v1 square by half m2 v2 square.
Okay.
v1 and v2 cancel
Why V1 and V2 cancel? Because they are.
because they have same velocity.
Okay. This is 1.
1 by 9.
That is
1 is to 9.
1 is to 9 is the ratio of their kinetic energies.
Kinetic energy.
Thank you. Very good. 10th question. Calculate the kinetic energy of mass 750 kg. Mass 750 kg and moving with a velocity of 54 kmph. Okay, moving with a velocity of 54 kmph. Okay. And find the new kinetic energy if a passenger of 75 kg enter into this bus. Yeah. Who will tell here kinetic energy? Who will tell kinetic energy here?
Half mv square.
54 into 5 by 18.
5 by 18.
That is 15 meters per second.
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy is equal to
Kinetic half mv square,
half mv square, half mv square.
half into 750 into 15 into 15.
Okay.
So 750 divided by 2 is equal to 375 into 225.
That is 94, no, 84375
84375.
joules. Now, what is new kinetic energy when the mass became 825 kg? Any other student? Any other student? Any other student?
Sir, I'll
Don't say I will say. Keep saying it.
kinetic energy is equal to half mv square
Okay.
into 825 into
Hmm.
15 into 15 into 15.
Why 3 times, right? This is not volume.
15 into 15. 825 into 225 by 2.
How much is that? I think somewhere around 9,000 joules.
9,000 joules.
Yeah. Last question for the day, children. Anyone can say. And mass of car is 1250 kg. Mass of the body is 1250 kg. Mass of the body is 1250 kg. On applying brake, the speed reduced it to 18 km each. Speed reduced it to 18 km each. Okay. Calculate initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy. Okay. From 72 to 18 km each. Initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy, and change in kinetic energy. Who will tell? So, children, those who didn't understand, initially it is going 72 km each. Finally, it became 36 km each. You have to find initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy. Yes, anyone? Initial
Sir,
kinetic energy,
kinetic energy is equal to half mv square.
half mu square. Initial means half mu square.
Yes, sir.
Half into
Half into 1250
into
into 72 kilometers per hour into 5 by 18, that is equal to 20.
so
20 into 20.
20 into 20. How much is that?
Half into 20, 10, sir. So 1250 into 10 into 20.
250, 120. This is 2,50,000 joules initial. Now tell me final kinetic energy.
Final kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So that is equal to half into
2 5 are 10.
10, sir.
Half into
So half into 1250 into 10 into 10.
10 into 10. Okay. So 10 into 10 is how much? 2 5 are 5 5 25 5 2 10 6 0 0. 62,500.
62,500 joules.
So change means this minus this. Change means 2,50,000 minus 62,500. Okay, so 0 0 5 7 14 8 1,87,500 joules is the change. Initial kinetic energy means take initial velocity. Final kinetic energy means take final velocity. You will get initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy, final. Initial velocity you take initial kinetic energy. Final velocity you take final kinetic energy. Okay, children. So remaining we will do tomorrow, children. Some more. Thank you so much, especially Neeraj. Very good.